Hey guys, what's good? It's your girl TJ, the one and only. Okay, so today we are here with cranberry hair from Aliexpress. I do have the Brazilian purple bob straight lace frontal wig. I do have her in the inches of 14. The density on this unit is 150%. All other information I do not state here. Please check the description section below. All of it will be down there. So I'm showing you guys the construction of the unit. As you guys can see, the 3 combs, one at the nape and the drawstring, and this is the lace. They did provide you with the parting, just in case you're terrible with that. They already created one, but you're able to move it and, you know, style it in your own way if you do not like the part. So we're going to go ahead and get this bad boy. I don't know what I was going with that. We're going to go ahead and get this baby, you know, install into our hair. Now, if you guys can see, the lace is like a vanilla texture color. Well, I said texture, Lord. It's a vanilla color, so we are going to have to alter it. You're able to tint the lace if you would like. You can either use a 𝚬𝚑𝚗 dyes to tint the lace, or you can use this, I forgot what it's called, but I use synthetic dye as well to dye it. But today I'm not on that type of time, so I'm just going to use foundation and pressed powder, and we finna call it the day. It's very, very important when you have a vanilla colored lace. Now some skin tones it will blend in on, but for us with a darker skin complexion, you're gonna have to make sure you blend it out well, or it's just gonna be straight up noticeable. So like I said, I didn't have any issues with it blending out. I just had to go in. I think I was running out of foundation or something, or I was just too lazy to get more. But as you guys can see, I am going to go back in and, you know, just dab a little bit over top of it so it can be hidden. Another way to hide that is to add baby hairs as well. You guys already know I do that on a daily basis, but I'm just giving you guys some tips on what you can do to, you know, hide that lace if you're in a short, or if you're in a rush. Like I was in a rush here, like literally. So I wanted a wig that I can throw on and be out the door. Now, when I'm doing errands and running around and I know I'm not going to be sitting still and pretty and all that good jazz, I make sure I secure my unit down. And you guys already know the method that I use for that. And it's just the 𝚬𝚑𝚒 hairspray. So if you want your lace to be laid all day, sis, you can use this. So after I lay everything down, I put my scarf on and my styling wraps on for about 10 minutes. Like I said, I really only had 30 minutes to get ready, so I was going to see if this was going to work. So I just snatched that off, and baby, she's laid. Of course, you guys are still seeing parts of the white. That's where I need to go in and trim up the lace, to be honest, but some parts I just didn't. Like I said, you can hide this unit with baby hairs. Y'all, I don't know where I was doing today. My baby hairs don't look as fresh and popping as they normally do, but it's just like a subtle look, because with a bob, you're not really going to see the baby hairs no way. So sometimes I'm just being extra. Like I literally could have just swooped over to the middle part and put the hair down and called it a day. But you know, sometimes I feel like when you do baby hairs, it's giving another extra layer of security. So it's like I said, it's also another way to cover up the what is it called, the edges of the unit. Sometimes they're detectable, and you can see that when you walk up on clothes, they're like, girl, I can tell that it's not your wig. I mean, you're not your hair, because number one, I see the lace. So you want to be sure you either melting the lace correctly, or you're covering up with baby hairs, so people won't be coming for you. Okay. By the way, I got a lot of compliments on this hair during my runarounds today. Y'all, people are, where'd you get your wig? Where'd you get your wig? Yeah. It was insane. You know, it was insane. I was just super excited because, like, I've always been trying to get a purple with one tone throughout the entire hair, and it was never able to do it. So being that this wig came that purple, this was the purple I was looking for, sis, I was so hyped. I was trying to actually find a purple shirt that went with this, but sis, I had no luck. But y'all, this hair was super soft out of the package. I didn't have any problems with the smelling. I didn't have any problems with it, you know, detangling up on me. Of course, I got shedding. That is the norm, okay? What hair does not shed? But y'all, this hair was so bomb. It wasn't hard to flat iron either. I know sometimes when you're, you know, maneuvering with bobs or certain hair, you be struggling a little bit. Like I said, I needed a wig that was gonna, you know, get me out the door in 30 minutes or less, and I'm telling you that this wig did that. I really, really loved it. And like I said, I'm just in love with the color in general because it's rich, and it's just like that purple, like that 𝚘𝚘 purple I was looking for. I keep wanting to say lilac. It's lilac purple. Let me stop, because sometimes I'm telling y'all, it's 12:51 a.m. and every time I do voiceovers, I'm airy head. Like my brain shuts off and I can't think. But anyway, I did actually put concealer on the part, and I did add concealer as well on top of the lace because I just felt like it just gave it a warmer tone. My foundation, to me, when I put it on there, was too flat, so concealer just brought the wig back to life in general. Y'all, this is by far, I'm loving these colored wigs that are already colors. I feel like it's easy, it's low maintenance, and I don't have to do a lot of work to get a bomb look. Like, somebody would think I spent a lot of time on my hair, and I really didn't at all. 30 minutes or less. That is the goal. So, really hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to check out the description section below. Let me know if you guys liked, and I'll see you guys later.